Turning your engine, L2V13 engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Socket very nice. Same as well the alternator here. On top here everything is good. Didn't see any damages. And the water pipe here is good. No orange pipe. And from this side everything also good, no problem. And the turbo here also good. It's not jammed. It's turned very nice. From this side also good. EGR pipe, no damage. And down here the oil sump and the gearbox also good, no problem, no broken, no damages. And the engine is turning good.